Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pranav Sarkar. I study in class 2C. Today we are going to conduct an assembly on the topic of smart and hard work. Hard work is the first step towards smart work. Through hard work, we gain experience. It helps us discover many new things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ma'am and dear friends, my name is Soham Dhruv. I study in class 2C. Today, news headlines are PM Modi to chair meeting of Council of Ministers 14th July. Petrol price crosses ₹100 mark in Chhattisgarh. 1206 COVID death in India in 24 hours. UK University did research on more than 5,000 medicines. 2 terrorists killed in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag. Film legend Dilip Kumar, 98, passed away on Wednesday morning after a prolonged illness. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aira Khan. I study in class 2D. Thought of the day is believe in yourself, work hard, work smart, and passionately present your best self to the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teacher, and my friends. My name is Hansel Samrakar and I study in class 2D at Krishna Public School, Narunagar, Bhilai. Today I am going to deliver a speech about hard work and smart work. Hard work is a real wealth for a woman. Nothing can be achieved without a hard work. It can even turn stone into gold. Working with proper planning and intelligence is smart work. So by working hard, smartly, we can achieve any goal in our life. As they say, sky is the limit. Thank you.
Good morning, all. My name is Pratyusha Yadav. I study in class 2C in Krishna Public School, Narunagar, Bhilai. Today I am going to recite a poem. Struggle today for a better tomorrow. Hard work pays, you should always know. No matter how tough may seem the climb. Keep moving, keep fighting, one week at a time. Perseverance and patience go a long way. Because for the sun rises, even the longest night make way. Thank you, everybody.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम है फाल्गुनी केवटे। मैं कक्षा 2C में पढ़ती हूँ। आज का शीर्षक है होशियार एवं कड़ी मेहनत। मनुष्य के जीवन में परिश्रम का बहुत महत्व होता है। मेहनत के बिना कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, लेकिन जब मेहनत में बुद्धि एवं कुशलता का उपयोग नहीं किया जाता तब तक मेहनत की कोई कीमत नहीं। मेहनत का कोई छोटा रास्ता नहीं होता, लेकिन जब तक मेहनत के साथ कुशलता का उपयोग किया जाता है तो हर कार्य आसान हो जाता है। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात मैम, मेरा नाम आद्य देवांगन है। मैं कक्षा 2D में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर तो बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखड़ता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद।